कुछ बात है इसमें जरूर तरंगियां
Malik, if he's here, he'll be coming. Yeah. Give it up. This is just superb in this. Director of the ship, of course, you know, उनकी देख-रेख में सब हुआ है. Sunil Sippy, all about it, ladies and gentlemen. So, up for Noor Roy Chaudhary. मतलब she's like अभी stage मेरा है. मैं ऊपर आके पूछूंगी.
Hi everybody, good evening. Thank you all for being here. मेरा नाम है नूर रॉय चौधरी और क्योंकि मैं आपका किरदार निभा रही हूँ इस फिल्म में, बनता है आज मैं सवाल मैं पूछूंगी. Okay, if you don't mind, please. If you don't mind. How did you decide on this track? गुलाबी आंखें क्यों?
Actually, I saw your eyes, तो वो मुझे वहाँ से आइडिया आया. But
Sir,
yes, this
very
song,
good idea. Good idea, sir ji.
This song I always wanted to recreate, but in a very different way. The Amal has given a very different twist to it. कि एक नया गाना शुरू होता है and then it goes how it lands into गुलाबी आंखें. So that's the beauty of it, and we have seen the sound and everything is superb. So I'm very very excited that this song will do very well.
Fingers crossed, and we are all very, very excited about this song. Thank you. You know, I've experienced it firsthand. You're such an involved, such a thorough, such a wonderful producer to work with. How did...
If only every journalist was this kind.
Maybe they learn today. I'm a journalist. I'm asking as Noor Roy Chaudhary. She anyway is like crack little, no? How did you envision this entire film and put it together, and has the result been satisfactory?
Satisfactory result we'll know on 21st April, and that's for everybody to say this. I'm giving very proper journalist responses. But the film's vision, I think it's everybody's story. It's every girl's story. There's a lot of relatability in it. There are imperfections in it, and it gives a very strong, lovely message of celebrating those imperfections. So we are very happy with the product, and I don't know if you know her, but our lead actor in this film has probably delivered the best performance of her life so far. So you should watch the film sometime.
I will. Thank Tulsi.
Hi, Noor.
So this girl has lent her beautiful voice to our lead actor on more than one occasion, and
Yes.
you know, all those songs have been fantastic hits. I hope this song is also headed in that way, and what a fantastic job you have done in
Thank
this song.
you.
You're
Thank you
sounding
so much.
brilliant, and
you,
I'm
Sana.
so happy that you have
Thank
sung
you,
this
Noor.
song. Yes. Will you sing for us?
Yes,
No, 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 no,
definitely.
आपके अंदाज में। आप
Should
हमारे-
I?
आप
Should
हमारे
I?
लिए कुछ लफ्ज गुनगुना देंगी तुलसी जी?
Well, तेरे इश्क दा नशा चढ़िया वे, मेरा दिल तुझ पे ही अड़िया वे, हाल हुआ बेहाल हुआ मेरा हाल हुआ बेहाल, हाल हुआ बेहाल हुआ मेरा हाल हुआ बेहाल, गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया. Really, really different kind of song for me. But when the pitch of the song was really low key, and that's the way I'm sounding, so grungy. And I'm glad I got my second chance to work with Noor.
Yes.
Actually, the actress of the film, Sonakshi. So yeah, really looking forward. Hope you all will love this track.
And transformed this song, you know, wrapped it in a completely new package, given us such wonderful lyrics. And Kumar ji, मजा आ गया इस song पे dance करके.
thank you.
मतलब absolutely rocking number.
भूषण जी ने आपकी आंखें देखी, मैंने भूषण जी की आंखें देख ली, बन गया क्लब सॉन्ग.
चलो गुड, सबकी आंखें कुछ ना कुछ बोल रही है और अच्छा बोल रही है तो अच्छी बात है. शिवानी,
Yes,
I had a blast dancing with you,
I
man.
know, it was fun,
This
right?
is my best friend Zara from the film, and she is such a fantastic co-star to have, and we've had such a blast shooting this film. ऐसे लगा नहीं कि we've met for the first time on this set. ऐसे लग रहा था कि we are already friends.
Aw,
Huh?
She's amazing.
So Saad,
You've been
played by
amazing.
Kanan Gill, Zara and me are the three musketeers. वो कनन गिल वैसे थोड़ा डीवा इंसान है, आ जाएगा. मतलब लेट लतीफ़, तो आ जाएगा, he'll come, don't worry. ये आदमी बहुत शाय हैं, इन्हें पब्लिक ग्लेयर बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, एंड ये इतने टैलेंटेड इंसान है. He's, I say this about very few people, but he's one of my favorite directors. Like Vikramaditya Motwani and Sunil Sippi are my favorite directors that I have worked with in my career. Thank you for giving me Noor. And tell us how you're feeling right now. What is this feeling that you're feeling?
Oh God. Thank you, Sonakshi. And thank you everybody over here, because it has been an incredible experience, an incredible journey. How am I feeling? Calm and very excited by what
Shocking. You're calm?
Yeah, can you imagine? No, watching this was just spectacular, and you know, the amount of people who've put so much work into the music, Shikha and Amal, the kind of work that they put in behind the scenes in conceptualizing stuff, and then why aren't you here?
Come up.
Shikha,
Yes,
please.
Shikha.
And you know, and conceptualizing it visually was so much fun. You know, to bring this slightly industrial, grungy vibe to it, which was fab. And then, yeah, so I'm feeling really happy.
मनमानिया देखो खुद से ही करे ए नूर वाला कुछ बात है इसमें जरूर अतरंगियां इसकी मशहूर उफ ये नूर
ये टेढ़ा बन के पेड़ा खाती है बड़ी टेढ़ी है बट दिखाती है बहुत सीधी है
जो भी है हमें बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आई. So give
किसी के काम के बारे में वो लोग इतना मेहनत करते हैं. एक्चुअली जो मेहनत लोग करते हैं वो स्क्रीन पे ऑफन दिखाई नहीं देती. हमें तो बस देख के एक विजुअल ट्रीट मिलता है, बट उसके पीछे क्या मेहनत लगती है वो हमें पता नहीं चलता. तो आई वुड रियली लाइक टू नो अबाउट दैट, एंड एज एन आर्टिस्ट मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोगों को ये पता चले कि क्या मेहनत एक फिल्म को बनाने में जाती है. क्योंकि जब लोग यू नो मजाक उड़ाते हैं या यू नो ऐसे ही कुछ भी बोल देते हैं तो उन्हें पता नहीं होता कि एक फिल्म बनाना आसान काम नहीं है. एंड आई वुड लाइक दैट वर्क टू फॉर देम टू सी दैट काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट इज पुट इनटू इट. मैं डैडी से वो सवाल पूछूंगी जिससे मुझे खामोश सुनना ना पड़े, और सलमान खान से क्या पूछूंगी, मैं उनसे वही पूछूंगी जो आप उनसे इतने सालों से पूछते आ रहे हैं, वही पूछूंगी. The top 5 songs, I mean from Hindi films you're saying?
Yeah.
The top 5 songs right now on my playlist are Gulabi 2.0, Move Your Luck, which is from the same film, is also another fantastic number. Sari Ke Falsa will always be on my list. Gandi Baat and Mast Mast Do Nain, yeah. The slightly older generation would obviously have a very special connect to those songs, but people from our generation, younger than us, kids of today, have not heard these songs. So all we're doing is repackaging them and giving it to them in a way that they understand, in the way that they like. So I think it's a great idea. I've thoroughly enjoyed every remake that we've had of a song, of a classic song in the last 1-2 years. I've really enjoyed them. So I think it's a great idea, you know, for the generations that haven't heard the originals or who are not connected to it in any way to. जी बिल्कुल, मुझे बहुत शौक है गाने का, एंड आई रियली वांट टू डू समथिंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन एज वेल. मैंने थोड़ा बहुत मूवी लक में भी गाया है, जो नेक्स्ट रिलीज़ होगा नूर से, एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन माई नेक्स्ट सिंगल, सो मे बी यू विल गेट टू हियर दैट ऑल्सो वेरी सून इन द. बात छिड़ी है, अब तक कुछ फाइनलाइज नहीं हुआ है, बट अगर ऐसा होता है तो मैं बहुत खुश होंगी, बिकॉज आई मीन इट विल बी अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म एंड आई रियली लाइक हिज म्यूजिक. सो या, बट नथिंग इज फाइनलाइज्ड येट. जब होगा तो मैं ही आपको बता दूंगी, आई प्रॉमिस. जी, मेरी उसकी मुलाकात कल, उनसे मुलाकात कल हुई थी नाहिद से, एंड आई स्पोक टू हर अबाउट इट. सो डोंट वरी, शी इज फाइन एंड शी विल continue to sing. It was actually a great experience. You know, we always see stuff from the other side. The grass is always greener on the other side. Until we are actually in that situation, we don't understand what the other person is going through and what they do and how they do it. So honestly, it felt great to be on the other side of the mic and you know, behind the mic, behind the camera. It was a fun experience. But of course, the kind of journalist that I'm playing in the film is not the kind of journalist that I want to be in life in the film.
ये बस वही मिले ये नूर वाला यही करे एक ही चाटानियां उफ ये नूर. बाज ना आए, उल्टे सुल्टे पेच लड़ा